Yeah, it's a 68 coupe. What do you think? 383 or 440? What is that in there? What engine does he have? What engine you got in this?
440.
440? Have you ever run at the strip? You got a best DT?
Oh no. I run it up and down Main Street, about 25.
Yeah.
About 70 mile an hour to the car show.
Yeah. Did you do this yourself?
My dad and I did almost all of it. Me and my friend Darren did the motor and the transmission. Me and my dad did all the body work, primered it. We painted the jams and the trunk and under the hood.
Yeah, because under the hood it looked fresh.
What's that?
Under the hood looked fresh. In there.
It's not bad.
No.
And then we had the outside paint done. And we've been praying for you ever since.
Yeah, they're an expensive habit.